Hi everyone, my name is Mohammed Ahsan and in this video I'm going to talk about the Covesting module from Prime XBT. With this platform you can trade by simply following different kinds of strategies. This is a kind of a copy trading option within Prime XBT where you do not have to do your own trades. You can follow someone else's strategies to do all of the trades that they are doing automatically. And if you are a seasoned investor, you can even start your own strategies and start earning with the Covesting module. To start off with the Covesting module, just log in into your Prime XBT account and click on Covesting. So once you click on Covesting, you have different strategies that are available. To start off with, you have the name of the strategy, then is the total amount of profit or loss for this strategy, then what the profit or loss is for this day. After that, the number of days this strategy has been active for, then the number of followers or the number of people that have invested in this strategy. After that is the total performance chart, then is the followers equity, and then the rating. So let's have a look in detail for ETH man or Ethereum man strategy. So once you click here, on the top it says that this strategy has reached the maximum cap for initial following equity. New followers are currently not possible. But let's have a look in details how this strategy is working, how much profit loss it has. As I mentioned before, the name of the strategy is Ethereum Man. The total profit has been 21,594%. The total profit for the day is 92%. And the manager equity, so the amount of equity the strategy manager has within this strategy is 1.00601 BTC. So as the strategy is not very old, it was started on the 5th of June. You can see the amount of profits that it has gained within a short amount of time. It's really important to see how much equity the manager has, because if the manager does not have any equity within this strategy, then it's not really good as they are playing with just the followers equity. I don't think it's a really wise choice to follow a strategy which the manager does not have their own equity in. At maximum, this manager had 1.69 BTC, and then I think they withdrew about 0.69, but at the moment they have 1 Bitcoin invested. For the followers equity, it has been gradually increasing, and at the moment the followers equity is 30 BTC. 1 BTC is from the manager and then 30 BTC is from the followers. If you follow this strategy, there is always going to be some fees associated with it. So if you have an amount that is 0.001 BTC within this strategy, you will get 60% of the profit. 20% of the profit will go to the strategy manager and 20% will go to the platform or Prime XBT. So if you increase the amount of investment to 0.02 or more, it will be 65% to you, 20% to the manager, 15% to the platform. And if it's 0.05, it increases again, and at 0.1 BTC, follower or the investor will get 75% of the profits. The platform will get 5% and the manager will get 20%. So you might be thinking, why is the platform getting 5% of the profit and 20% of the profit is given to the manager? This is the fee that the platform is charging, and the strategies that the manager does is why they are getting 20%. After that, you see the profitability in terms of charts. As this strategy is not very old, it has just 1 month and a couple of days. But you see that there are a lot of green days and some red days here. If you scroll down a little bit, we'll see the 7-day profitability, 30-day, and if the strategy was older, you'll see 90 days, 180 days, and even more. So the maximum drawdown for this strategy is 79.15. The maximum drawdown is the maximum profit decline in percentage from the previous highest value for the entire lifetime of the strategy. So this has a maximum drawdown of 79.15%, and the win ratio is 77.82%. So what the win ratio is, it's the ratio of the number of profitable positions to all closed positions for the entire lifetime of this strategy. So let's go back and have a look at some other strategies. Let's see the oldest strategy by clicking the active days. So the 1 Bitcoin strategy has been active for 413 days. It has 254 followers and the profit has been 26.72%. Now compared to the previous 29,000 whatever percent profit, this might seem a little bit low, but the thing with cryptocurrencies is that it is a very volatile market. Some days you'll get really high gains and some days you'll get a really bad day and then you'll lose all of your gains. So on an average, it's very difficult to have gains for a really long time and have consistent gains. 26% is still more than reasonable for 413 days of investing within this strategy. So have a look at all of the strategies, see which you like and follow whichever strategy you want to. To follow a strategy, simply click on follow. Here you'll see that you're about to follow a strategy by -TM. Choose the amount you wish to follow this and click follow. Please note that this strategy accepts a maximum of 0.1 BTC per follower, and please note that the profit loss statement occurs only once the following has stopped. So in my wallet there is at the moment 0.00103 BTC available, and I can invest in this strategy, and the total required is 1.01 in order to start investing. The manager fee is again 20% and the platform fee is 20%. This fee will reduce if you invest a larger amount. So I will not invest in it as I've already invested in 2 strategies. Let's have a look in my portfolio. So let's go into the portfolio. Now at the moment I have invested in BTC Airline and Roger S Signal. So let's go to the Roger S Signal. With this strategy I have invested round about 33 euros. So with this strategy I have a loss of 1 USD or 0.000165 BTC. For the day I have a loss of 2.69%. Here I can either set a stop loss or a take profit. You can only take profit if the followers profit level is above or equal to 5%. Or you can simply click stop following to stop following the strategy. As I mentioned before, if you have experience in trading, you can create your own strategy and start earning with it. So the more number of followers you'll have and the more profit that you have, the more percentage of their profit you can have. As I said, 20% of all of the profit from your followers will be given to you. So it's a great option to earn additional income if you are experienced and have your own strategy. One thing that I want to mention is that this video is just for educational purposes and this is not a trading advice. So be careful, do your own research before you start investing with any platform. There is always a risk that you lose your money. It's the same with PrimeXBT. Do your own research and then start investing. As you can see with my portfolio, I have 2 strategies active. I'll probably add another one and see how this works for me in the next couple of months, and I'll try to make a follow-up video and see how much profit I have gotten from these strategies. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Click here if you want to get started with PrimeXBT, and I'll see you in the next video. Bleib gesund.